today we're going to talk about the best training that you can find out there in order to make affiliate marketing and make it work. Because I really think that if you go out there and you don't have any training, you might lose a lot of your time. And you know what? Success loves speed. And that's what my mentor keeps telling me. And I think it's really true. So if you go out there without the training, you might lose a little bit of your time and maybe a lot of your time. So I won't wait anymore. I'm just going to share my screen and show you Affiliate Millionaire training, because I've joined this program and it's absolutely awesome. I've been learning a lot in the process, and I think it's really complete because I've tried different types of training, free trainings as well, and it's never as complete as a proper training and a course that you take, because you're going to have coaches that are going to follow you on the way, and coaches that are going to lead you and analyze with you what you do well and what you should correct. And I think that's one of the main problems out there. It's just that you go out there and you make mistakes and you don't know what you're doing wrong, and you just keep losing your time trying to figure that out. But if you have a coach, it's going to go much faster. So before I continue, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you get informed when I go online. So we're not going to wait anymore, and I'm going to share with you my screen. So when you get into the course, you're just going to go right through a boot camp. So this boot camp is absolutely awesome, and you're going to go through many different informations. And at the end, as you can see here, you're going to go through an implementation plan. So what is really important about that is that the implementation plan will allow you to plan your next year in order to achieve your financial goals, but personal and professional and physical goals. So Affiliate Millionaire training is not just about, okay, let's go out there and make money. It's really about a holistic approach about being really healthy and not just work all the time. You have to be healthy in they call it the 3 pillars of excellence. So you have physical, personal, and professional. And it's Jeff Lerner and the coach that you'll be assigned to. They're really going to push you to have goals in these 3 areas. And I can tell you it's going to be a total game changer. And I saw it in many different testimonials that people are changing and improving their life like crazy by joining that program. So I'm just going to share my screen with you a little bit more. And it's about the training. So Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator. So you see the training here. So it's really, you see all the things that you're going to go through. It's just crazy. So, and after that, you cannot say that you're not trained to have success. But for sure, I'm going to be honest with you, it's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be worth it. And you cannot have something like super quick, super easy. You have to put into work and just put yourself out there and give everything that you've got. So just try to reach for excellence, and it's going to work. So I think it's really the best training out there, guys, just because it's the holistic approach that is going to go through your physical, personal, and professional excellence. And as you've seen, you have many things that you're going to learn, and you're going to be able to just implement that directly into your online business and affiliate marketing business. So let's go out there. I put a link down here, and you can directly take the Intro Blueprint training for start, and you're going to be introduced to Intro Institute. So it's a good start. It's really cheap, and then you're going to be able to get to learn a little bit more about Jeff Lerner. So click on that little link, and you're going to get to know everything you need to know to get into affiliate training. And I really suggest you to take it because, oh my God, it's going to be a game changer. You're going to achieve your goals. And isn't that nice? We all want that in our life, achieve our goals. So I'll leave you on that. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little bell so you get notice if I post new stuff out there and get some more value about that. So take care, guys, and have a really great day.